Asiqaleni ngokubona amagoli bafethu e-Kaizer Chiefs. uBatman igoli lakhe lokuqala noShabalala ungenile second half wakwazi ukushintsha igame netempo and everything. Waziphozishina kahle washaya igoli elihle kakhulu. But asikhulumeni ngegame le. Mayiqala igame first half igame bafethu beyi-flat. Kaizer Chiefs bengingazi nokuthi ilona ama-opportunities azovela kuphi kanjani beyifile i-team, but somehow second half bakwazile ukubuya. Yini le team lena iSikhukhune United. I think iSikhukhune United bafethu bekumele score. I-problem yabo nje ukuthi bona bakoranga, but-ke bekumele bakore ngoba bakwazile uku-create ama-opportunities, especially when it was still 1-0. Bakwazile ukushintsha i-tempo of the game. I-defense e-Kaizer Chiefs beyi-exposed, but-ke uPeterson wakwazi ukuseva laphana, bakwazi ukusurvive laphana as i-Kaizer Chiefs. So congratulations to i-Kaizer Chiefs. It means that elikini they are still undefeated. 6 points manje for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But what a performance from u-Oxy Mthethwa. Umuntu akalahlwa bafethu, no, akalahlwa umuntu. What a performance. Oxy Mthethwa, he was aggressive eswini abawinela amabhola. Khona la bekabit shaky first half, but second half bafethu uvukile. Bekayona phambili like esayidini lakwa right, bekarun esayidini lakwa right u-Oxy across amabhola. Khona le bhola alicrossile balidefenda, khona le bhola lilaye laphana phambili walibamba ngathi wenzani-ke manje u-Oxy. Kanti ubheke ukuthi ubani azomphasa amphase kahle, wakhipha iphasi elihle bafethu, quality pass to Mfundo Vilakazi. Wahluleka uMfundo Vilakazi ukuconnecta nebhola walishaya eceleni, but shout out to Oxy Mthethwa. What a performance from yena. I think ukumisela nje for Ox bafethu. Even the last season when I was disappointed ngaye, but there were days especially before i-injury yakhe bekadlala kahle kakhulu ukunikela for umjida. So abanye abantu bayafunda ukuthi it's very important ukunikela nokumisela nje when you are given an opportunity to play. And u-Oxy Mthethwa uyarealize ukuthi no, i-opportunity enkulu ukuthi abe ku-Kaizer Chiefs nokudlala serious. So shout out to yena ulona u-Ox. As for uFrosler, i-left back bafethu kumele bazame ukuyilungisa laphana Kaizer Chiefs. No, awuFrosler angeke. uFrosler akakwazi nokuhead ibhola kahle convincing. 2 chances ibhola liza kuye straight uyi-1. Akekho aware ukuthi khona ama-players ayo and bamunela ibhola kuqala. Uyi-1 ulibhekile ibhola, uyalibheka kalihlangabezi yena. Uhlahlangabeza ibhola mfethu. Bonisa i-aggression laphana. Bambitha kalula, bebangena ngeside lakhe, bekanama-mistake. Khona la enza i-mistake khona, angazi ukuthi bekaphasa noma umiste trapping or wenzeni. Azange lucky enough basurvive cause khona umuntu omcover ubani bekamcover. I think u-Inasho Miguel if angilenza iphutha. Can't remember ukuthi ubani wasave-ke. But what a poor performance from yena uFrosler in terms of i-defense nokudila nje nebhola simply. Angeke akwazi ukudlala i-left back position, kumele bayisolve bafethu. uNkwesa bamfakile umfana omncane, guess what, ube-exciting uNkwesa. Khona nala ayaphambili khona uyabona ukuthi is able to beat ama-players, is able to create that half chance, akwazi ukucross ibhola for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So ama-player khona kwamanye ama-position, but bafuna ukudlalisa uFrosler ongekho that comfortable in terms of ukumarka. But a decent performance for Peterson njengoba ngishilo ukuthi khona la basave khona eze-Kaizer Chiefs. Even uyi-rectify mistake yakhe lokuthi aphume le epalini, cause khona last first half bathi bayamsurprise khona. Ubani umukwena washaya naye, wabona ukuthi le ndoda iyaphuma, ithi nami ngizama ukushaya straight, washaya uPeterson wakwazi-ke ukulisave. uMdusha balala noMfundo ama-player exciting kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngizokuphinda lokhu, ama-player exciting kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but i-decision making, I don't want to take away the fact that uMdu ungenile waba exciting wa-create ama-chance. There's something, kube noshintsho olukhulu bafethu bakungena bona, cause ukuthi see ukuthi nabo bayalithanda ibhola yabo and bayafuna ukudlalela ama-fans. Decision making, but iye poor bafethu, isase-poor to this day. uShabalala khona la bekumele ubamba ibhola usesayidini uFree uyi-1, ubamba ibhola but he wants to, bengicabanga ukuthi uzolicrossa same time. Mina uFree ufuna angazi ukwenza iy'tayela, bamthathile ibhola, lose ibhola simple. You don't do that bafethu. Khona nala uVilakazi bayamphasa kahle uyi-1, ufuna ukudevelop emadodeni awu-2 kanti ngabe uphasa ibhola nje simple. I think boba u-2 ama-player angaba important kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but I don't know man, close to the box something, angazi noma kucima ibani noma bacabangani, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, but-ke lento decision making laphana ku-final third bafethu into ebaluleke kakhulu, amajita amele akwazi ukuyisolva. Basolva lento leya ku-final third, hayi ngiyakutshela lapho-ke bazoba right. As for uPhili, simbonile uPhili enikwa opportunity yokuthi adlale. Okay, i-supply bengekho that much, but again we saw ukuthi uPhili is super exciting for i-Kaizer Chiefs, uyi-player elizoba important for i-Kaizer Chiefs. If amajita angeke lento leyo ukuthi amajita abe nomona azokwazi ukumdlalisa, azokwazi ukumdlalela, kuba yi-player important for i-Kaizer Chiefs. And-ke cabanga uMfundo Vilakazi noMdu noPhili bakwazi ukuphasana babe in sync, bazoba right kakhulu bafethu labafana. So it's a matter of understandana bona ezamajita, ukufavana bafethu, ukurepresent ibadge boba yi-3, then-ke bazokwazi ukuyithwala i-Kaizer Chiefs this season. Ngihlezi ngisho uMdu is not a bad player. Yeah, he's actually a good, especially njalo mengena second half. uMdu khona into ayenza, cause ngikhumbula even nange-final ye-Nedbank Cup against Orlando Pirates wangena second half, wakwazi ukushintsha i-tempo of i-game. Maybe udinga ama-second half uMdu, cause unaloko kurelaxa kwakhe, uyi-good player, ngiyohlezi ngisho uyi-good player, but-ke final third walungisa lapho, qedile. Angazi-ke imaphi angazi bafethu ukuthi nina njengoba benibukela igame ukuthi obani ama-stand out performers for nina, but for mina i-stand out performer for i-Kaizer Chiefs u-Ox Mthetho. Yabona laphana esiswini bengingacabangi like ama-midfielders, like besicabanga, besikhuluma ngabocele ukuthi okay kune-situation kaCele manje, kune-situation kabani, but besingacabangi ukuthi u-Ox bangavele bamfake. Yabona ulona ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs uvele wathatha uMtasi ngombeka le ngaphandle, wathatha u-Ox Mthethwa wamfaka. Ox Mthethwa i-team ifile yonke flat, but ukwazile ukudeliver, ukwazile ukudlala. He's not a fancy player, commitment bafowethu. Ox uzoba nawo vele lama mistake lawa kungamele abe nawo, but i-commitment yakhe, i-work rate yakhe for i-Kaizer Chiefs mina yinto engiyithandayo, engimsalutha ngayo umjida mangimbheka. Ngiyasho ukuthi okay, maningi ama-department la esibona khona ukuthi umfethu uyaleka, but khona azokwenza ukunikelwa, just nje give your all nje kuphela uzoba right. Ama-fans ajabulile, sithemba ukuthi-ke le game lena izobanika something abo-Batman njengoba bakorile, noMdu negoli lakhe lokuqala. uSolomons, well, not a great, super great performance, but i-performance ene-assist yabo. So I think ibalulekile ngoba i-performance ene-assist for yena umfowethu. I was surprised ukubona uDa Cruz bafethu efaka yena uSolomons, but uSolomons irun yakhe legoli lokuqala bafethu usuke nebhola le waze wawusquare laphana balishaya phakathi. So shout out to yena uSolomons. Ama-player bekangakayitholi i-opportunity that much this season, but-ke mayitholi i-opportunity yakhe ukwazile ukuyithatha, uyisebenzisa serious, akadlalanga. Namanye ama-player-ke bafethu sithemba ukuthi azokwazi ukuba serious for i-team. Ngicela ukuzibamba